What are you doing, Mr. Volcano?
Hello, Tyrannosaurus Alan. I'm filling my conkers with volcanicity.
Eh?
Rain filters down through my handsome volcano conkers to create a wild mineral water that grabs life by the conkers. Conkers. And hydrates you till you shout, "Well done to revive birds!" Come on, birds! I'll have you conkers for breakfast. Try some.
I do feel hydrated. Come on, world, I'm Tyrannosaurus Alan, and I'll have you for...
I burn!
I'm off to snuff out all the saber-toothed tigers and got a brain the size of a pea.
How do you do it, Alan? Do you perhaps drink conkers for breakfast?
Yes.
How do you do it, Alan?
George, so suave.
Well, my birds do like a twist with their conkers.
Birds?
My conkers.
You can't say that.
My birds! They like a fruit flavor when they're hydrating for breakfast. Look! Breakfast! I'm the daddy now! Volcano filtered so it's full of conkers. Yes.